Hi, everyone. I'm thrilled to announce our upcoming Strategic Capital Raise Summit, where industry leaders and innovators will gather to share their insights and strategies for successful capital raising in today's dynamic market. So before we dive into what to expect at the event, I would like to extend my heartfelt thank you to our lead sponsors, Sid Shami and Brian Alfaro. They are with me today. Brian, can you share with me what you're going to be presenting at the summit?
Absolutely. First of all, Vinky, I want to say thank you for putting this summit together and thank you for giving us the opportunity to sponsor and to be a speaker at the event. If you don't have a ticket to this event yet, you are missing out. You need to get in a room with like-minded people if you want to be successful. So I'm really excited to have the opportunity to speak on the Real Estate Spectrum panel, which is a panel of experienced operators from various asset classes. And I will be sitting in the multifamily seat. So I'm really excited to talk about apartments, multifamily, what's going on in today's market, how the interest rates have impacted our business, what we're seeing on the day-to-day, managing our current portfolio, and of course, looking for new investment opportunities for our investing partners. So I couldn't be more grateful and excited to share our knowledge and expertise with your audience. So if you are interested in the multifamily asset class and you want to take advantage of surrounding yourself with like-minded people, you have to get a ticket to this event. I'm excited to be there.
Great. And Sid, you?
Awesome. My name is Sid Shamim. Thanks, Winky, for having Headway as a part of the sponsorship for your conference. Before I say what I'm going to talk about, I can tell the audience that every single person that's on your panel, I have known him for some time, probably what 10 plus years. They all are very experienced people who are on the fence to deciding whether they want to join this conference or not. But let me say you one thing: you don't really learn anything in silo. You want to get into the room and listen and talk to people who are in that space. We own property management company, infrastructure management company, and from that perspective, I'm going to talk about 5 red flags that any capital raiser, co-GP, or a GP or a JV, or even fund of fund managers should look for when they're trying to partner with an experienced operator outside their comfort zone. Having said that, if you haven't decided, I would highly encourage you to go and get the ticket and come listen to us.
Thanks, Sid and Brian. I'm super excited to hear you guys at the event. If you haven't secured your tickets yet, please don't wait. Head over to the strategiccapitalraise.com to get your ticket today. Not only will you gain invaluable knowledge and networking opportunities, but you will also have a chance to win a ticket to the Family Office Super Summit and Workshop with a VIP ticket. So don't miss out this incredible opportunity. Like Sid said, you don't learn in silo, so join us. See you there. Thanks, guys.